In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a watch onto your collection in Chrono24. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your account and create or log into your account. Then from here, you need to go down to watch collection down here. Then from here, you can see all of your watches that you have ever owned, plus your market value of those watches. Then from here, you need to go up to this little plus icon up in the right hand corner, click on that, and here you have the opportunity to either use our watch scanner or search manually. Watch scanner is not always that good to find your watch, that specific watch that you own, so I'll always suggest you just search manually. And here you need to write in your reference number, or you can also write the brand or the model for that specific watch. When you're choosing that watch, you can either select I own this watch currently, yes or no, and the condition is unworn or worn. And as you can see now down here on the button, you can see an estimated price of that specific watch. Then from here, you just need to add to collection. Then from here, you can add a purchase price. You can also change the currency if you want to do that. You can change the date of purchase, and you can change whether or not you have the box and papers for that specific watch. You can also click submit or skip down here. And as you can see now, the watch has been added onto your collection. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!